In this Q&A, I'll break down how I started earning $500 per day on Etsy and how you can replicate this success. I started small with handmade jewelry, optimizing my listings with relevant keywords and high-quality photos. I learned about Etsy's SEO and ads. Initially, I focused on handmade jewelry, then expanded to custom prints, digital downloads, and personalized gifts that were easy to scale. I optimized SEO with trending keywords, ran small Etsy ads for visibility, and expanded my product range for more sales opportunities. Promoting my shop on Instagram and Pinterest helped reach a larger audience. Customer engagement led to repeat business. It took about 6 months to consistently earn $500 a day after refining products and mastering marketing strategies. I initially struggled with standing out in a competitive market and managing growing inventory and advertising costs. I tracked expenses using software, reinvested profits into growth, and set monthly sales goals for accountability. For aspiring sellers, start with high-demand products, focus on SEO, stay consistent, utilize ads, and promote outside Etsy. The biggest lesson I've learned is that consistency and customer satisfaction are essential in growing your Etsy shop. Starting a side hustle on Etsy can be a game changer, and it's possible to scale your business to $500 a day with the right approach.